Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chicken Coop Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet. To do so, yarn over with your hook and then insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. For the half double crochet, you're going to yarn over once more and pull through all the 3 loops on your hook. That's one half double crochet. Again, you yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop, then yarn over and draw through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3.